ममदानी का न्यूयॉर्क के मेयर का इलेक्शन जीतने के बाद मस्जिद का दौरा।
And a lot of us take those stories and narrate them to our children so they can become familiar and learn from it. And what we want to reinforce is the lessons that we learn. The most fascinating story that we have is the story of Ibrahim alayhi salam. Ibrahim alayhi salam grew in a society from a young age that we are put on this earth to help, to worship God, to help those who are around us. We forget about it. We get consumed by the new form of idols today. They're awakening. We did not change anything about these people. We certainly just delivered the news, the truth. Let us take a step back and look at what responsibilities Allah has gifted us and has given us, and look at how we can make people's life better, how we can improve the society we live in. How can we reduce the crimes that we have? حجم هذه مسؤولية وأن نقدم كل ما نستطيع في
इमरान ममदानी ने कैरेबियन जजीरे के शहर सान क्वान की मस्जिद का दौरा किया। ममदानी ने मस्जिद में नमाज अदा की। उन्होंने मस्जिद में नमाजियों से खिताब भी किया। ममदानी सान क्वान में सालाना सरबराही इजलास में शिरकत के लिए मौजूद हैं।
We are so proud of you, brother. So all yours. Takbir! Allahu Akbar! Takbir! Allahu Akbar! Takbir! Allahu Akbar! Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. What New Yorkers and New York City is craving is a city that all of us belong to, a city that serves everyone who calls it home, and a city where no longer will we have to debate who gets to call themselves a New Yorker, but one where we can in fact work to the benefit of all New Yorkers. That which has been shared with us as we have grown up, many of us in New York City. If you are not at the table, you may find yourself on the menu. And it was a Muslim brother in Malcolm X who reminded us that sitting at the table does not make you a diner. You have to be eating some of what's on that plate. That's right. And the time is now for every New Yorker in the wealthiest city, in the wealthiest country in the history of the world, to be able to eat, to be able to feed their families, to be able to both be free and to be fed. Because what we know is Puerto Rico no se vende. And we say the same thing in New York City. Nueva York no se vende. You cannot buy these cities. We must in fact stand up to ensure that every New Yorker can afford these cities. And the same be true for our Puerto Rican brothers and sisters that are here.
ममदानी ने नमाज अदा करने के बाद खाना तकसीम करने में भी मदद की।
I'm meeting with a wide variety of council members, of organized labor, and also of leaders across the state, be it having seen Governor Hochul or also Attorney General Tish James. And those are meetings that are all with the shared purpose of delivering on our agenda.
And what's the goal of the meeting?